How to log in into your CAC account. So here right now, after you might have create your account, you are expected to log in. So you'll be logging in using your email and the password that you've used while you were creating your account. So right now, all you need to do is to input your email here, and then you input your password here. Once you input your email and password, you click on login this way, and an OTP will be sent to that email that you had dropped when you were registering. So what you need to do is to go to your email to check out the OTP. You can see that. Just copy the OTP and come down here to paste it. Make sure you are fast, if not, thing will elapse and you can see what it says. So you go again and make sure you are copying the correct OTP. Still counting, and my OTP is saying incorrect, so I need to allow it to wait so that I can request for another OTP. So once you input your OTP the right way, then you are good to go. It's going to log you in. So let's go again. Resend OTP code. You can see the 60 seconds is counting down. So waiting for the OTP to surface. Paste and click on submit. You can see it loads up and open up for me. So that is how you log in after you are successfully registered on the CAC portal. So right now, I believe with this video you should be able to log in into your portal right away without any issue. Make sure to like this video so as to tell YouTube that we are doing something great here. In our next video, I will be taking us through all of this interface on the portal. Let's proceed.